Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing some artist trading coins again. I have so much fun making those little artsy pieces, and I also adore it when they are on my fridge because I make magnets out of them. I'm using my homemade resist spray for the background together with 2 stencils from Stamplorations. I make sure that the resist spray is dry before I go on top with some spray inks from Colorcraft. After the background is completely dry, I wipe off the excess of the inks from the resist parts. I cut 4 circles measuring 2.5 inches from the background, and now I'm creating the artist trading coins. I'm adding some white gesso. I add some contrasting colors with acrylic paints. After the paints are dry, I add some texture with a stamp from Rubber Dance. Before I go in with the flowers, I've added some white droplets of paint on the background. I'm embellishing the coins with the fancy florals from Tim Holtz, and I have already prepared them. They are cut from Distress Oxide Backgrounds and stick together. I use a paint marker to add some stamps to the flowers. I'm adding some gold and silver texture paste to the edges of the coins. I use a Nuru shimmer pen to glitter in the flowers. Here are the finished artist trading coins. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm using these coins to make some homemade magnets for the fridge. But they are also super cool to use in your art journal or on greeting cards or on gift tags. I hope we see us next time. Bye!